You ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
What is going on, guys? Spicy Gross right here, back with another video. This one's a little bit different. We're going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a server. Making a server can be hard, but it's also very rewarding. You can play with your friends. It's awesome. This is Minecraft server. It's so easy. We're going to start it by going to MC Server Soft, and it's going to be like this thing. So you're going to go download. So you're going to press download, and then you're going to download it. Just start it automatically right here after you say where you're going to do it. I'm going to save it to desktop so it's easy to find. Alright, once that's done, update or download it. It shouldn't take long. It should just appear on your desktop. Or you can just show in your folder. And we're going to take it out onto my desktop. Okay. Or just make it easy on yourself and just do it from the server. So you're going to open this up. And sometimes it says this. If it does, just do it more info and run anyway because it's safe. Don't worry. And it should give you a little a folder. It should say like MCSS, something like that. And then when you open it, it should have these three things. You're gonna want to take them all out into your desktop, or you could just use it in here. And since I have it already, I have it set up, so you're just gonna click on the mcss.exe. It shouldn't have a number or anything. Just click on that. Alright, click on that. Start it up. Alright, it should bring you to something like this. If it doesn't, you'll just have to like accept some policies. I'm pretty sure is what they do. What you're going to do from here is you're going to do create server. Now, for this purpose, I'm just going to do vanilla. It's pretty easy to do anything else, but you're going to go vanilla, next, and you're going to name it. For this, I'm just going to call it like YT video, something like that. And we're going to remember this number. We're going to change it to 2556 or 63. We're going to call it that, and we're going to accept the EULA. So just change it to something you can remember. You're going to go next, and you're going to open Updater. Now, I'm going to tell you how to get the server.jar file, which is what I have right here. It's really easy. You're going to open up Minecraft. You're going to go Installations, New, find the version that you're doing. Alright, it should be simple as anything. Just find the version. You can choose any version. For this purpose, I'm just going to do the latest one. You're going to just go to Download Server. Should take you right here and it should start the download, but since I already have it, I'm not going to go through it. It's simple, and it should give you something like this. Now you can close Minecraft and you're going to go next because we already have the file, and you're going to click, drag it in there. Then you're going to go next and update. It should say update complete, and then from there you're done. Then you're going to go create server, next. This is for if you port forward your IP. I didn't do that. I'm going to tell you how to use it without port forwarding. You're going to finish, and then you're going to go to workspace, servers, and then find the name, so YT video, and you should see all the stuff. Now you're going to want to download something called ngrok, which you'll just go ngrok, just like that. Go into this, and it's going to want you to like create an account, so go sign up, and make all this crap, do all this stuff, you know. And then when you're done, you should just be able to download the thing. Now, downloading it, after you've done that, you should get something like this. You're gonna open it up, and then you're gonna want to get this thing right here. So you're gonna copy. You're just gonna take it out, basically. And you're gonna have this little thing right here. Now you can close this, and you're going to take this. You're going to want to copy this and paste this. So you're going to open it when it's in the server. It should open something like this. And then right here, you're going to type ngrok space TCP space and then the name of the port number, which we have 25563. Now enter. Should take you to this, and you're going to want to copy this thing. And just from this 0 to this, nothing after that. That's the only thing you want to copy. Alright, now, after you've done that, this code will change every time you restart your server. So every time you stop your server, you're going to want to stop this. And every time you start your server, you're going to start this and then start your server. It should be really simple. Just remember you got to copy this and give this to your friends if you want them to join your server. So keep it open. And now that's running, which means the part, like the actual joining of your server is running. Now you can close this and make sure you are on the right server. And you're going to go start. It should take you to console. And while that's starting up, I'm going to open up Minecraft. Save a little bit of time. I'm going to move it over here and I'll tell you exactly what's happening. It should start after. Just give it a little bit. As you can see right here, it's starting up. And you'll know it's done when it literally says done in green letters. So you're going to open it up and make sure you're on the right version. Might take a little while because I'm trying to open up while it's doing that, so. As you can see though, it's saying preparing spawn. This part should be pretty fast, don't worry. As you can see, it's like 0, 1, 2, 3. It like skipped 2. I mean, it goes pretty fast. It's already at 20. Now we wait for Minecraft to open. And while that's waiting, we're just gonna clean up our desktop because mine's a mess. I mean, when I say a mess, I mean a mess. Do you see this thing? Alright, it's at 50, it's at 69%, 70, 73, 83. Alright, yeah. See, it says done. Now, that should be finished there. And we're just gonna wait for Minecraft to load up. Alright, now we're gonna go to multiplayer. Direct connect always works better because it's gonna change every time you start your server. So you're gonna go Control V, and it should paste that, and then you're gonna just be able to join your server. So log in, encrypting, and then join world. Then, as you can see right here in the logs, it says I joined. Now that's done. What the heck is going on here? We don't want. Oh my. Alright. Now you're on your. If you want anyone to join your server, you're going to basically just give them that code that you used to join. And then they should just be able to join the server and you could do whatever you want. It's pretty simple. Now, if you want to know, you gotta like opt yourself, otherwise it's just not going to work. So we're gonna get this back, and this is our log. So as you say I joined, you're gonna want to go /op and then your name. Alright, now it should say I am an operator, and now I can game mode creative. Now I can do whatever I want. I can opt people. I could do whatever. That's all the stuff to get your server running. Now I'm going to show you what you can do with the software. I'm going to close out of Minecraft. Alright. We don't need this anymore. Or actually, we're just going to keep that open. Alright. Now, I don't know exactly why this is all set up weirdly, but I'm just going to keep it like this for the purpose. Alright. So you can do all sorts of commands. You can do /say and then whatever you want. It'll say the server said that and all that crap. You can OP people and all that stuff. It's pretty easy. Then you're gonna want to go to your dashboard, and then you can do all this stuff from here. So online, as you can see, it shows you all this stuff, the RAM it's taking up, all that crap. Now you want to go to your toolbox, and from there you can go to your config editor. If you have like plugins or anything, you can find the config file and you can change stuff up. You can OP people like this, as you can see, take it away really easily and all that stuff. Whitelist people. If you want to update it to a newer version, you can do update, turn off the server obviously, and then you're gonna find the file and all that. Yeah, and then if you go to your settings, you can turn off stuff like you can set the difficulty to different things, you can resource pack, you can change the max build height to literally 1,000 if you want. I change it to 500 usually. You can change what the OP permissions are. I don't know exactly how that works. You might, I don't know. So that's the stuff you can do there. Now if you want to stop your server, you can either do stop here, or you can go to your console and do stop. Now as you see right here, it says stopping server. It's going to go through a couple of things. It should say they're all saved, and it should just say like stopped. As you can see, it's red here, it's not on. So now you can just close this. You can close this, and every time that you start your server, you're going to start this first. Type in ngrok TCP and then your port that you have it on. Right, for me it's 25563, and then you're gonna get the new code every time. That's how you're gonna log in, and that should be everything you need to know. So you're gonna quit that, and yep, that is how you make a server, guys. It's pretty easy. You shouldn't have much trouble with it. If you do, then I don't know, you're doing something wrong, right? Seems pretty straightforward to me. But yeah, guys, that's how you make a server. Else, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this was fun or helpful, because I know a lot of people don't know how to make servers and all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.